The free SutiExpense Mobile App, available for Android and iPhone, enables users to capture and send in receipts, allowing users to build their expense report with the tap of a button. Sign in. This is a one-time action. The system will remember the employee's username and password. Simply enter your username and password, then tap Login. From the SutiExpense symbol in the upper left-hand corner, a user can capture and attach receipts, create a new report, access their expense drafts, review expense reports pending approval, view their receipt repository, check the status of submitted expenses, view and submit their credit card transactions, and view their settings. Tap the camera icon to capture a receipt. The OCR Technology will populate the receipt details onto the respective fields. Click on the plus symbol in the header to add a receipt to the expense report as a line item. If you want to save the receipt in the repository, just click Continue. Please note, receipts can be captured at any point when creating or submitting expense reports by simply tapping the camera icon available in the header of every screen. Tap New Report to create a new expense report. Give the report a name and description, then tap the Save icon on the upper right-hand corner. Expense categories will populate on the screen. Tap an expense category to get started. Fill in any fields that are required. Required fields will have an indication that the field must be populated. To attach a receipt, tap the Attach Receipt icon. You can attach receipts instantly from the device's camera, mobile device's photo gallery, or receipts that are already in the receipt repository. Or if enabled, you can indicate that you do not have a receipt by tapping the No Receipt option, where you will be prompted to create a receipt affidavit explaining why there is no receipt. Once the receipt has been uploaded, the optical character recognition software will scan the receipt to find the merchant, date, location, and amount. Please note that the accuracy of the OCR depends on the quality of the image taken, so be sure to take a clear, close-up shot of the receipt. When finished, click the Save icon in the upper right-hand corner. A user can also pull in credit card charges linked to their account. Simply tap the arrow symbol in the right-hand corner and hit Search. Select the charge or charges to be imported by tapping the Select box. Choose a category to assign the expense to, then tap the checkmark symbol and hit Import. If configured, the system will automatically map incoming transactions to the appropriate expense category based on the merchant's category code. A user can also edit client codes, project codes, and more by clicking on the arrow icon located on the specific expense line item. Users can also format naming conventions and the availability of drop-downs to drive relevancy. Alternatively, you can also edit codes by simply clicking on the Edit Codes button available at the footer of the receipt attached screen. When ready, hit the Submit button at the bottom of your screen. To create expense reports from receipts that have been saved for later, tap My Receipts from the logo menu to view any receipts in your repository. Tap the checklist icon located to the left of the magnifying glass and select an expense name to assign the receipts, then tap OK. Tap the receipts that you'd like to move over. You will see a blue checkmark appear as confirmation. Tap Select and choose an expense category to assign the receipts. Tap the Save symbol in the upper right-hand corner to import your receipts. Hit the Submit button at the bottom to submit your expense report. To edit receipts, navigate to My Receipts and select the purple edit icon to update data. To delete a line item, tap and hold the line item to reveal a delete symbol at the top of your screen. Tap My Credit Cards to view any credit card transaction that has been sent to your account. From My Credit Cards, tap the Select button next to the expense item and choose a category. Tap the Import button to import charges. Hit the Submit button at the bottom to submit your expense report. Tap Settings, then tap Sync to sync your mobile application with your desktop application. If you do not have internet connection on your mobile device, you can still work on your expense report. Once you have internet, hit Sync to update the desktop application. To approve or reject an expense report, tap Approvals from the logo menu to view expense reports submitted. Tap on the expense report that you would like to review. You will be taken into the expense report and have the ability to approve or reject. If enabled, you can tap and hold on any line item you would like to reject. Hit Approve to approve the expense report. To create an expense report or add a receipt as a delegate, tap My Settings from the logo menu to switch to the delegate account. For more information, visit www.SutiExpense.com or call us at 650-969-SUTI.